Today I'm going to be doing Hi everyone, Wyga Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a try-on / mini review of the Stila Stay All Day Foundation and Concealer. If you're interested in learning more about Stila Stay All Day Foundation, then keep on watching. Alright, let's get started with the try-on. Today we're going to be doing a try-on / give my, not first impressions, a little mini review on the Stila Stay All Day Foundation and Concealer. So what's cute about this is you have a concealer at the top and foundation down below. You do get 1 ounce of foundation, and the concealer is 1.18 milliliters or grams. Sorry, 1.15 grams. So the packaging is interesting. So you lift up the top here, comes with a mirror, and then the concealer is right there, and it's the kind of cream concealer. Then you pull up the lid, and the foundation you squeeze down and it pops up the top. So that makes it nice. You don't need to put it on your hand. You can just take it straight from the packaging. Let's look at some swatches. We have the Stila Slay All Day Foundation and Concealer in the shade Porcelain 0. CYO Life Proof in 101. CoverGirl Olay Simply Ageless 205 Ivory. L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. Revolution Conceal and Hydrate in F3. So before I apply the foundation and concealer, I'm going to put SPF 50 and prime my face. And I'm going to do that all at the same time using this BB cream here, which contains snail mucus filtrate. If you are interested, you can check out another video I did. What's nice about this is it's slightly tinted. Just squirt some on your fingers, rub it all over the face. It looks like it's going to give coverage, but that goes away, which is why I don't find it very good as a BB cream in the sense for coverage, but it works fantastic as a primer / getting your SPF on your face. Alright, so what I like to do with the concealer, it's a little heavy for under the eye, but I have hyperpigmentation, so I just take my finger and just pat it over the hyperpigmentation. A little redness on my nose. In general, because I have so many wrinkles, I find this a little heavy and thick for under my eye, but it works great to spot conceal. So I'm gonna dab some on my face. And go to town with the brush. I'm going to put some on the other side of my face and use a sponge. I think the coverage looks about the same whether you use a brush or a sponge, so whatever your preference is. I did notice that as I used the brush, it kind of rubbed off some of the coverage. So what I'm going to do is apply a little more of the concealer to hide my lovely age spots. Not age spots, sunspots. Although, let's face it, they're age spots too. This foundation feels a little tacky, so you may need to powder. I have extremely dry skin, so I try to avoid using powder if and when possible. So if I do powder, I just put a little bit here where I'm going to put other powder products like blush or highlight. I will be right back with the rest of my makeup on, and I'll give my final thoughts on the Stila Stay All Day foundation. So here are my final thoughts. The foundation is nice. It looks nice on my skin. Doesn't cause any major issues. I find it's expensive. So will I repurchase this? Probably not, to be honest. There are so many fantastic drugstore foundations out there that do just as well, if not better, of a job with my complexion. So I'm glad I gave it a try. For those of you who are interested or thinking about buying it, it's perfectly fine. And if you're curious about the shade, I'm wearing Porcelain 0. So if you have a complexion light freckles similar to my skin tone, then you can do a shade comparison. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thank you and have a fantastic day.